Well, welcome to Gordo's Steam Corner, and you can see the Residio, aka Honeywell PA 404 pressure troll, and we got it on our test stand. Usually this comes stoked all the way up, so we stoke it all the way down, and I'm going to go ahead and test it. Let's see if we can hear the click. I think you heard the click. And so it's a little less than 2, and it's coming on at a little less than 1. I'll take it. I mean, there you are. So that's how it comes out of the factory. This was our cutout from yesterday. And there she is, a Slant-Fin Galaxy. See the rating plate there. There's their skim, which is a nice little business. They was able to get this out. And that red goop again. So this is the customer's skim tapping from the old boiler, and so we're going to see if we can make this work for the new one. Nice thing about that, there's a locking, and then this won't accidentally get turned on because I'll have the locking mechanism there. Where the sight glass fitting is going to go. The pressure troll will go there with the pressure gauge. And there's the return, 1.25 inches. And more dope. And so the return will go out as 1.25 inches, get changed over to 1.5 inches. There'll be an 1.5 inch T with a drain. And then we're going to be heading over to here, 90 over, and we're going to meet up with the, there's going to be a water fill here, 1.5 inches by 1/2 T for adding water, and then the Harford loop will go somewhere in here and tie into this. This is 2 inch, and there's our 2.5 inch header. A 2.5 by 18 coming out of here. Got our union. We basically had to kind of jack the boiler up to tie this in place and have a little slope there. And then we got a 2.5 by 3. There's the mark of the beast. And then there's our drop there. There's the return. I've got, let me see, where's the, come on, where's it? There we are. Got just enough slope there, but I think it's pretty clear that this thing is sloping in the wrong direction. So we're probably going to get rid of that 90 there, that 1 inch 90 without the bands on it, and probably have a T right here come up. There's a window. This window swings out in this direction, so we need to be past this tape mark here. 30 inch takes me about here, so I'm going to come across and down, and then this will be the low point where we can drain. I'm going to tie into here somehow and then come across here and come up with the Harford loop there. 6-inch outlet. I'm going to come up with a 90 and another 90 here to dog leg into the flue outlet there. Nice and simple. This is the pressure troll. I'm going to crank that in. What did I say? The pressure troll? I mean the pressure relief. Excuse me. You can see they're nice and clean. Let me show you what the other one looked like. Let's see, I dig it out here. Where'd it go? Yeah, that was the other one. And we got it up on blocks, and we got some shim under there to stabilize it and to give it some pitch. And as I said, rise up to meet that that union there. Well, come to the end of another day, and we'll hope to have further progress tomorrow. Thank you all again for your questions and your comments and your insights. Appreciate some of them, most of them, not all of them, but thank you again, and we'll stay safe.